Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in here before we get into this video and just apologize for the lighting on this video. I did not notice it until I was done shooting the video. So you should be able to still see everything good, but if you guys need me to re-record this, just let me know in the comments below. Now let's get into this. Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Shani. I'm here with another video for you guys today. I'm coming to you today with a simple, sultry, natural looking smoky eye with a little pizzazz in it, okay? But it's still an everyday smoky eye that you can rock. Someone did request this. You guys, look what happens when you request stuff. Your girl brings it. I bring it, okay? And you guys, if you're back watching my channel from my previous video, you know that I am doing a giveaway once I reach 100 subscribers. Now, I don't know, hopefully, by God's grace, hopefully if I get 100 subscribers by the time this video right here drops, the next video, I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway. And if you're here right now and I haven't reached 100 subscribers, I'm gonna go ahead and place a card here to view my previous video, so that way you'll know what the rules are in order to be entered to win the prize. And you guys, it is a makeup based prize that I'm giving away, so just so you know that it is makeup based. So if you're interested in that, make sure you go check out my previous videos, follow those steps, and I will be letting you guys know who the winner is in my next video, or whichever video I'm at 100 subscribers at. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit that post notification bell. Again, if you're new, don't wait, just do it. It's easy. Just subscribe. Just hit the button, okay? Hit the button. You remember the girl from Rush Hour? Hit the damn button.
It's a goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button.
You heard what she said.
Yeah, do that. I love you guys, so stay tuned, you guys. Be safe in these quarantine streets. See you in my next video. Peace. Alright, lovely, so let's get started. So for today's beautiful, warm, sultry smoky eye, easy smoky eye, what we're going to be using today, the only palette we'll be using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette by Jackiana. We're going to be using 3 colors from this palette. We're going to go in with that credit color right here, ginger, and a little bit of that Zam. Yeah, it's called Zam, just to pop in the middle there to finish the look off. So we'll go ahead and start with the, and we'll also, for our base, sorry you guys, for our base, I'm going to go ahead with the Juvia's Palace foundation stick in the color Nambia, and that's going to be our base. Now we've already primed our eye, so we'll go ahead and get started with our base. I'm going to go in with a brush here. Sorry guys, I don't know the name. I know it's a mash, but I don't know the number. I don't even know where I got this from, to be honest with you guys. I got it so long ago. So, but we're gonna go in with this brush here. We're gonna get some of that product off. There you go. And much like our last smoky eye look that I did, and if you're interested in that, I'll go ahead and put it up here somewhere over here in this corner if you're interested in that, to see that's a more dramatic look. But we're gonna go ahead and start off with the base on the lid and just getting it all over that base. And because we don't want to get it all over our eye, we just want it on our lid. Just make sure when you're coming in with the product to sweep in from each side. That's making sense. So I'm just grabbing some more of that product. And just sweep. Build up that color. You guys, it's not going to be too dark because remember, this is a warm, sultry smoky eye. So we're not going in within every color we're using has a brown tone to it. I'm just doing a little bit more. This will probably be my last one. There we go, guys. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in the Anastasia Jackiana palette to that color Credit, that dark brown color. Sorry, down here. We'll go in with that. So yeah, just pat that on, because we don't want that foundation we use underneath to move, because it will get all over the place. So once you've patted it on, all you're going to do is just blend it out at the top. And for this process, guys, I'm using a MAC 224 blending brush. Sorry. And we're just blending that all out. Make sure to get the corners too. And now what we want to do is go in with the clean MAC 224 brush or any blending brush that you have. Just make sure it's clean. You can use the same one, but just make sure you get most of that product off, okay? And I'm going in with that color Ginger from that Jackiana palette. And I'm just taking that right on top of the Credit color. And we're just gonna blend it. Just swipe it across there, blend it in with your concealer, your Fawn concealer. And guys, don't mind, my eyebrows need to be done. So that's why you kind of see those little lines there. When they're done and they're clean, you don't see those lines there. So it's looking a little ragged. This side's a little bit better, because for some reason, I can only pluck this side. This side, I can never get it. I don't know what's wrong with me. But I'm just going to make it look as good as I can. Okay, so they're about even there. So what we're going to do now is we're almost done, guys. The next step is to go in with that sparkly Zam. I'm just using a MAC eyeshadow brush. Again, I don't know the number because I've had these brushes for so long that the numbers have rubbed off. But I'm just going to get a little bit of that Zam color, and we're just going to plop it in the middle there. Like so. I'm going to add a little bit more on this side. There we go. So now what you want to do is you're going to go in with gel liner. I'm using a brown gel liner, not a black, but a brown gel liner. I'm going to go in with my angled brush from MAC. And we're not going to wing it out like crazy. Again, it's supposed to be a warm, sultry look. There you go. We're not going to do anything too crazy. Now we are going to go in with the black eyeliner for your waterline. just get it right on the waterline. We don't want to bring it under that waterline. We want it right on the waterline. So a little bit there, like so, because now what we're going to do is we're going to go back in with that dark brown, the credit color. I'm going to get a precision brush here, and we're going to smoke it out once I find that precision brush. Where did you go? There we go. And we're just going to smoke it out with the credit color. Like so. And you guys, this video is just mainly focusing on the eyes. I'm not doing any foundation steps or anything like that. I already have on a light foundation, but we're just focusing on the smoky eye since someone did request this. So we're all done with that. All we need to do now is just pop on some lashes. So I'm gonna do that off camera, guys, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're all set. I went ahead and popped on some eyelashes. I went ahead and put on my favorite lipstick from ColourPop called Limbo, and I let my hair down, so we're all good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, sultry, easy smoky eye, you guys. It's not dramatic at all. This can be an everyday smoky eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you continue to like my videos, and if you haven't liked my video or subscribed to my channel, stop lurking. I know you here looking. Just subscribe, okay? Come kick it with your girl. But anywho, you guys stay safe. Be safe. Stay safe and be safe. Cut. Again, you guys stay safe out here in these quarantine streets. I love you guys. Peace.